So guys, today we're gonna be talking about stock analysis. It's just the basic concept of finding a certain stock or certain company to invest in by doing three things. Many people ask me how I possibly get a certain company so I could invest in it. And I only use three strategies initially to invest in it. I might use other circulating uh, strategies, but still, these are the main bases I use. So let's start off. The first one is income statements. Income statements or earning reports or earning reports that feature balance sheets and cash flows, but mainly income statements are actually the best financial tool you could possibly find to examine a certain company. You could check out its revenue, earning per share, and different aspect it has spent and how it has been handling that certain company and decide if this company has potential or not. So income statements are a huge tool when it comes to picking a certain stock. The second one, the second one is simply graph analysis or technical analysis, which if you are investing in long term, choose the frame of 1 month. If you're investing in short term, choose a term of 1 week or less. In the case of long term, 1 month or more. And if you could possibly know the basic knowledge that is required to possibly find certain stock, then then you could possibly analyze it and find out if this certain stock or company is investable in. And that is why this certain graph analysis education is pretty important. The third one is after reviewing the company's earning income statement, to be exact, graph analysis, which features the education of technical analysis. I have made a couple of videos about it. Then on the third part, I just review what big hedge funds are doing with that certain stock or that certain company or the prediction they have for that certain company. So, let's just say, analyze hedge funds and venture capital portfolios, and then after that we could possibly find a certain stock. So just to be frank, let's go on to the steps. The first one is reviewing the income statement of a certain company, then analyzing the graph by the knowledge we have of technical analysis. Then we match up our prediction with hedge funds, then decide. After all this, the main part is we decide. We decide if that company is worth investing in or not. After all the steps are done, if we do not have the potential to take the risk and invest in it, all our research is just plain statistics floating in the air. So, focus on your knowledge of accounting so you could be a more efficient reader of income statements. Focus on your ability to analyze technically, then be more good at analyzing graphs. Then simply do research on companies that have a huge, big investors in them, like Pantera, Venture Capitals, which is somehow a hedge fund that invests in crypto. Berkshire Hathaway, the hedge fund that belongs to Warren Buffett, and more, you know, and more. So that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment any suggestions on future videos you want to be made. I hope this helped. Thank you.